Good day, everyone. My name is Cynthia. I'm from Voice of Nigeria. So I have just few questions here to ask. Maybe anybody can answer it, so far as maybe you're from the last family. Okay, the first one I want to ask is, one, Fela wasn't just a musician, but an activist to the core. So I want to know what lesson we can draw from Fela's life, from this retrospect that I want to do. I also want to know the aspect of his work that will be highlighted during the exhibition. Then finally, for me, I want to know how the younger generations, especially those that were not opportunity to see Fela face to face when he was here, so how they're going to connect with this exhibition. Thank you.
Our father's story is something we'll continue to shape and tell, hopefully for a very long time. I mean that's the whole beauty of having such a legacy, that people will see from different aspects. And even in the family, we all see him in a different way. My brother thinks he's a big dad. Yeah, he said he was never there for you. You are still saying he's the dad. I think he's the greatest dad. We have
nobody in Nigeria knows too much.
Honestly.
We need to just abuse ourselves. Like Shinu rightfully said, everybody, all of us have our interpretation of who our father was. Honestly, he wasn't a conventional father. It's very hard for us to understand his thoughts. When I repeated for one, he was very happy. You repeated,
I used to repeat too.
I used to repeat too. You know, encouraging me to fail. I can't even imagine encouraging any of my children to fail after paying
school fees.
We know the amount of school fees.
Yes.
You per term, and you come and fail this. Try it. We must never run away from the fact that he had his faults. Many of the things we are seeing don't highlight his faults. Probably one day the family will be brave enough to say some of what we objected to as adults that we didn't see because it was fun as kids, and we'll discuss it openly with the public, that we'll never do with our children. And you know, he was so Pan-Africanist. For me again, I will tell you, he didn't want us to go to school. And
the conventional
school. But he still wanted us to be aware of our heritage and culture.
The audience can hear archives of interviews, they can see visual archives of performances. So that's a good way they can connect. Obviously, there's a huge amount of archival footage from newspapers, photography, records. We have an amazing series of interactive spaces. So we have a library, so they can go in there, they can read books about him, but they can also see books that have been influenced by his work and his ideology and philosophy. We have a recording studio that is going to be able to allow young people to come during those 12 weeks and learn about Afrobeat. It's just to go on afrorebellion.com, register yourself, and register to participate in any of these programs.
Young people don't care. Everybody wants to leave, to go to America or Europe or anywhere. Nobody cares about our country. But we want to make our neighbor's house better than our own. If our doctors, if everybody leaves, if all the engineers leave, who is going to make this country better? So this place will really turn to a shit dump. The young people must now start to understand that Fela fight. Only them can say, look, this is our country, and we want the best for us.